putting a Thai basil chicken on a bun. Honestly, it's totally a game changer.
Hey, it's Amy. I'm hosting a dinner tonight.
I want to make something special for my friends, so I turning this Thai basil chicken into the ultimate dinner bun.
First, I'm going to make the basil chicken. Here I have the ground chicken, garlic, jalapeno, onion, basil, soy sauce.
Getting the ground chicken even finer for that perfect consistency. Slice the jalapeno and onion. Time to start cooking the chicken. Adding the ground chicken, onion and the jalapeno. Soy sauce and sugar. Oh, I almost forgot chili. Adding some chilies. Adding basil at the end. Only cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't overcook. Wow, look the color. It looks so delicious. Just a little bit more. Almost done.
Next, I'm going to make the milk bread. Bread flour, milk, instant yeast, sugar, butter, and salt.
Mix everything together beside the yeast and the butter. Now add the yeast. Butter. It's ready, very smooth dough. First proof, let it be in double. After first proof, divide the dough into 6. Take a break for 10 to 15 minutes and do the final shape. Using the small tin, press into the dough. Make a hollow in the center. Egg wash on the dough.
I almost forgot the eggs. I'm going to pan fry the eggs. Everything's ready. Time to plate up.
Very simple, just putting the basil chicken on the bun. Some of my friends don't really want the egg. I'm only adding 3. Oh, my friends are here. I gotta go. I will make more recipes like this. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Wow, it looks pretty and stunning. Wow, it looks beautiful and delicious.